Hello, everyone, and welcome to Champion English.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. We're back. I'm Mrs. Palmer, and
I'm Koya.
Booyah! Okay, we're here doing the O sounds, which are O, ooh. He's got it, everyone. Koya is getting smarter and smarter, and I've already put him at like a 5.1 because of the way he's improving his English. He's getting on to that level 10 English. Okay, so Koya, you're doing right there in the middle. That's good. Okay, here we go. Boo.
Boo.
Chew.
Chew.
Moo.
Moo.
Poo.
Boo.
Two.
Two.
Woo.
Woo.
Zoo.
Zoo.
Loo.
Loo.
Now remember, woo means I love you, and loo means bathroom, please. Let's try that. Loo.
Loo.
Bathroom, please.
Bathroom, please.
He's got it, everyone. Okay. B and oo.
Boo.
Hi, boo. That means you're my sweetheart. I love you. Come on. Hi, boo.
Hi, boo.
That's better than saying fool. Oh, that's another word, isn't it? Remember fool? Fool.
Fool.
So I want to say hi, boo.
Hi, boo.
Not hi, fool.
Fool.
Yes, let's go with hi, boo.
Hi, boo.
Ch and oo.
Chew.
Yes, m and oo.
Moo.
P and oo.
Poo.
T and oo.
Two.
W and oo.
Woo.
Z and oo.
Zoo.
L and oo.
Loo.
He's got it, everyone. Boo.
Boo.
Chew.
Chew.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
All right, come on. Choo choo.
Choo choo.
Okay, moo.
Moo.
Poo.
Poo.
Don't poo here.
Don't poo here.
Two.
Two.
Woo.
Woo.
I woo you.
I woo you.
No, woo just means to love, though. You like someone. I'm wooing her. Come on, zoo.
Zoo.
And loo.
Loo.
Bye.